Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to automatically combine monthly Excel reports from a folder into one master report using EasyMorph. If you have 12 monthly files sitting in a folder and you need them all in one spreadsheet, this is the fastest way to do it. And I will also show you how to schedule it so it runs automatically every week. So let's get started. EasyMorph is a free desktop application. To download EasyMorph, you need to go to easymorph.com and it opens the EasyMorph website. And if you hover over on the download button and select download EasyMorph, and if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the download button. Just click on the download button, the installation will take place and you'll be ready to use EasyMorph in couple of minutes. I already installed it on my computer. So let me show you the files that we are going to use. So here is my folder. I have 12 monthly sales reports, January through December 2024. So each file covers 1 month. So let me open one to show you the structure. So this file has columns date, region, product, unit sold, unit price, and total revenue. So all 12 files have the same structure, same columns, same sheet name, just different data for each month. Here, our goal is to combine all of them into one master report. So let me close this and open EasyMorph and click on new blank project, and here is EasyMorph with clean workspace. So I will add an action called import Excel spreadsheet. And now here is the key. Instead of loading one file, I will select load multiple uniform files. This is designed for exactly our situation, multiple files with the same structure. I will click on select files. For the selection mode, I will choose search. This tells EasyMorph to look inside a folder and automatically find all files that match a pattern. I will point it to my folder and set the extension to .xlsx. So it picks up every Excel file in this folder, and I will click on this include column with file paths into results and click OK. For the sheet name, I will select sales report. That's the sheet name all 12 files use. The sheet names need to be same and uniform across all files. Now I will click apply, and there it is, all 12 files combined into one table. Now let me scroll through. January data at the top, and if you go down, we'll see the December at the bottom. So every row from every file combined automatically. So now let's save this as our master report. I will add an action called export to Excel file. Now let me select my output folder and name the file as 2024. Save it and apply it. Now let me run the full workflow. So it's done. Now let me open the result. And here it is, all 12 months of data in one master report, January at the top, December at the bottom. Every row from every file combined perfectly. And because we used search mode pointed at a folder, this workflow is completely reusable. If you add a new file to the folder next month, just run this workflow again and it automatically includes the new file, no changes needed. So now let me show you how to schedule this so it runs automatically every week. First, I will save this project now. I will open EasyMorph launcher and I will click new task and I will select the workflow file we just saved and here are the task properties. You can see it's pointing to our workflow file. Now I will click on scheduling and I will select daily and I will select Monday and set the time as 8 a.m. and click OK. Now every Monday at 8 a.m., this workflow runs automatically. It picks up any new files in the folder, combines them, and creates an updated master report. So, one important thing to remember, EasyMorph Launcher must be open and running on your computer at 8 a.m. on Monday for the workflow to run. So make sure the launcher is running on a machine that's always on at the time. So that's how you automatically combine monthly Excel reports from a folder using EasyMorph. Set it up once and any new file that lands in the folder gets combined automatically. And with the launcher, you can schedule it to run every week without even thinking about it. And that's it. Thank you for watching.